dear friends. So today we're going to read another story from Krishna Tales. The 12th story is today we're going to read. So today's story is Balram fights Pralamba. Pralamba is a demon. One day Krishna's older brother Balram asked him, "Do you think we should go and play in the meadow by the river? We have never gone there." Krishna readily agreed. Collecting all their friends, the two brothers set off to the meadow. A huge old fig tree stood at its center. Balram rushed to it and exclaimed, "Goodness, have you seen a tree so big? Had I not better, I'd be quite scared of it." Krishna laughed on hearing Balram's words and said, "Oh, don't get tensed, my brother. It's just an old fig tree after all. Come on, let's start making pairs and then begin with our game." As there were 11 friends present at the time, Balram offered to sit by a large fig tree. As he walked towards it, he saw a boy standing by the shade of the tree. He asked him to play with them. The boy readily agreed, so the game began. As was the rule of the game, at the end of the loser would have to raise the victor on his back and run around the meadow. Very soon, the new boy had to lift Balram on his back and run. Seeing that the boy was running pretty fast, Balram laughed and said, "Slow down, or my friends will think that you are trying to kidnap me." But the boy refused to stop. He just kept running till he had taken Balram quite far away from the meadow towards the large fig tree. Suddenly, it dawned on Balram, "You are not just a boy, you are a demon." Gradually, the boy started to change into a huge demon. Clutching tightly onto Balram, he said, "You finally got me. I am Pralamba, the demon who lives in the fig tree, and I am going to eat you." Balram got very scared and then he started to pray, "Krishna, please help me. I have been abducted by a demon and he will kill me. Please save me, Krishna." Krishna, who was still playing at the meadow, heard Balram's cries, and as he was looking around, he saw that Balram was indeed missing. Krishna closed his eyes immediately and spoke to Balram in his thoughts. "Balrama, I know that you can kill this foolish demon. All you need to do is clutch his neck from behind and he will soon suffocate to death." Balram heard Krishna's voice booming in his head and he quickly wrapped his arms around Pralamba's neck and pressed it hard. As Pralamba couldn't breathe, Balram wondered, "Where did I get so much strength from?" With every passing moment, Pralamba got more breathless till he finally collapsed onto the ground to death. Krishna and their friends arrived soon, cheering at him, for he had killed an evil demon. Little did they know that it was Krishna who helped Balram achieve the impossible. The end. I hope you liked the story, and please like and subscribe to our channel to watch new videos every day. And also, please come tomorrow for the last episode of Krishna Tales. I hope you have enjoyed all the stories with me. Bye-bye.